right, this is what it takes me to get home. I got 35 miles of this. It's like the movie. All right, so then I gotta pull this generator off the back of my sled. This morning it was so cold at the cabin I couldn't even get this thing started. I had to bring it inside for a couple hours to get it started before I came up here because there's no power on this property. It might start, but it was 35 below last night. So my oil, I'm sure, is pretty gooey. Plug in my pink extension cord. And while my truck's been warming up, I run it down the hot cord down the. Okay, after an hour or so, depending on how cold it is, it's 35 below this morning and it warmed up. It's showing 5 degrees now. We give her a try after being plugged in for a little bit. There we go. Then you break these as much as you can. Look at that, I just broke my windshield wiper. You can set my truck on fire. Oh look, we got more lights. Roll it down here. That's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna load up the rest of our gear, leave the tailgate down because we're not in high school anymore, and hit the road. We drive back up to the resort, get some fuel,